Welcome to Vitality Science. As animal lovers, we know how frustrating it can be to have a treatment-resistant animal and how painful it is to watch that animal lose its vitality and vigor over the passing years. The good news is, we can help. Hi, my name is Leela Becker, and for many years my family and I have had the pleasure of providing natural, safe, and effective pet supplements that have successfully restored the health and happiness to pets all over the world. Join the thousands of customers that have discovered the healing properties of Vitality Science products. Vitality Science natural pet supplements are scientifically formulated and veterinarian approved to raise the health and vitality of your pets. We are so confident that you will love our products that we offer a money-back guarantee if not completely satisfied. Stephen Becker, President of Vitality Science, writes, "My commitment to you is to help you determine the probable causes and recommend products that are carefully formulated to safely restore your pet's health as quickly as possible. We know your pet is a part of your family and means everything to you. We feel the same about our own pets. We not only stand behind our products, we stand behind our commitment to you and your pet." For holistic pet supplements, healthy pet, happy you, and medicine from nature, you can rely on Vitality Science.